Hi, welcome to this video. I'm going to guide you through how to schedule Instagram posts within the app. To schedule Instagram posts natively, ensure you have a free professional business or creator account. From there, you can plan up to 25 posts or reels at a time, up to 30 days in advance, directly within the mobile app. So press the plus button, the top left, and choose if you want to post a normal post or reel. So let's say I want to post this one. Hit next. If you want to add audio, text, overlay, filters, etc. Or if you want to edit it as a reel, hit next. Add a caption and hashtags and everything to secure your viral content. Select your location, obviously, to target more people. And you can tag different people if you're taking a selfie, whatever, right? Or if you want to collaborate generally with that content creator. Now, moving on, I'm going to press more options and turn on schedule this post. So continue scheduling, select the date and time, right? AM or PM, and hit done. Go back, hit continue scheduling, press schedule below. Consider liking this video, subscribe it really helps with the channel. Until next